back. Today I'll show you how to enable QR code scanning on the Samsung Galaxy A02s. Open the camera app and tap the settings icon in the left upper corner. On the fourth position, you'll see the Scan QR Codes option, which is turned off by default. Tap the switcher to turn it on. Go back to the camera, nothing will change visibly, but if you place a QR code in front of the device, it will scan without any problems. To turn it off, tap the switcher again, but I recommend leaving it on as it's the fastest way to scan QR codes without third-party apps. That's how you allow your device to scan QR codes on the Samsung Galaxy A02s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.